Hello everybody, my name is Michelle Litwiller here with Owl Star Stampers, and I am super excited to come to you and share an amazing starter kit special that Stampin' Up! Is offering starting today, May 1st through May 31st, 2024. So today our new catalog launched, and with the new catalog comes 5 new in colors, and I have those in colors right here. They are 5 beautiful colors. And this year, for this month only, Stampin' Up! Has a special starter kit special. So the starter kit is always a really great deal. In your starter kit, you only pay $99, but you pick out $125 of the products of your choice. You also get free shipping. And as a bonus, starting on May 1st, you're also going to get these 4 brand new in color products in addition to your starter kit. That's a $82 value. So you're going to get all 5 of the new in color ink pads. You're going to get these free. You're also going to get a variety pack of the colored cardstock. So it kind of is going to look like this. You'll get a full variety pack of cardstock. You're also going to get the designer series paper variety pack of all the new in colors with the new patterns. And then the last thing you're going to get is the 5 new in colors in these colors of the Stampin' Write markers. I don't have those to show you, but $82 value on top of the $125 that you get to pick out. And with a new catalog, I'm sure there's plenty of amazing products that you can pick out of that catalog very easily. The other thing that you will get when you join Stampin' Up! Is you get a discount on your products. So you can place your orders and start getting a 20 to 25%. Most people get 20 to 25% discount. It starts at 20 though. The other thing is I would like to talk about my team. So once you join under me, you get access to a whole new world of Stampin' Up! I love my team. We are a very active team within Stampin' Up! And my team ranges all over the United States. So you do have to be in the United States to join my team. I personally live in Michigan, and we have a group of demonstrators here in Michigan that belong to the Owl Star Stampers. But we have people in Maine to Florida to California, Alaska, Hawaii, and everywhere and anywhere in between. So we would love to have you join our little Stampin' family as well. So when you belong to my team, here's a few perks that you get as well. Number 1, I share all of my tutorials with my team members. So any class, event, retreat, stamp camps, they get access to all of those for free. I do sell those, but they get those for free every month. I share those with them. We have a very active team full of mostly hobbyists, but there are several people in our team, in my team, that do run classes and different events. And so whether you just want to get this great deal and build up your stamp collection and get some new products out of this new awesome catalog, or if you want to run classes and events, you can do anything. But you don't have to run events and do classes and all the fun, all of that. You can just be your own best customer. Believe me, we are always our own best customer to stay active. In my team, every single month we have a monthly team meeting that is on Zoom as well as in person. And in that team meeting, we cover all the monthly updates within Stampin' Up! We have a make and take class that we offer. Again, the tutorial's for free. If you want the class at a discount, you can purchase that and we ship that to you. It's just a lot of fun during that team meeting. There's demonstrations. We have a Stamper of the Month. That's something you can get involved in. We have monthly creative challenges. We have business challenges. There's business training if that's something you're interested in. So many good stuff that we offer within my team, and a very active private Facebook page as well. I don't do it alone. I have a lot of amazing team members that have different roles in my team. I couldn't do it without them, and so we would love to have you plug into our team too. The other thing is when you do join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator and you buy this amazing starter kit, is you get access to the catalogs early. Anytime there is a new release of products, that is my favorite perk as a demonstrator, is that we get to order a lot of that the month early, a month before. And so you would get access to that as well. So if you don't like things selling out quickly, then maybe this is a huge perk for you to get access to those products before the whole customer base. These are just a selection of some of the perks for why you may want to join the starter kit, why you may want to purchase the starter kit and join Stampin' Up! This month. If you have any other questions, you can go to my link below. If you are like, I am ready to join, I want to be an Owl Star Stamper, I would love to have you join our team. Again, you can join the link below. This special lasts May 1st through May 31st, 2024. Again, I would love to have you be a part of my team. There's more information on my team on my websites too, so you can check that out or always reach out to me via email. And I hope to welcome you into our team and our Facebook group soon. If you have any questions, again, let me know.